Hi there. In this weird unplanned video we will be taking a quick look at these sealable bags, I think I can call them, from IKEA. ISTAD or something like that lineup. These are the dimensions for two types of them in here, and in here other two types, and IKEA has even more. I'm making a video like this just because these things are good. These are really good. And why would I know that? My wife loves them. She told me to get more. And I'm actually stealing from her. Yes, I'm putting all sorts of electronic stuff in them, so they are not airtight anymore, but these things are remarkable. So they lock really well. They have this double seal on them. Really nice bags, decently thick, interesting design. So as you can see, they have various designs. We are using them a lot in the house, and we haven't had one at least fail in any way, like rip when you try to open it. Cheaper bags, yes, I have situations where when trying to do this, it actually ripped this thing right off. These IKEA ones, absolutely no problems whatsoever. And yes, as it can be seen, my wife keeps these things in a drawer, and whenever she needs a sealable bag, she just grabs one from here, the size that she needs, and they are perfect. Really good quality, honestly. And yeah, that's about it for this video. Hope it helps you, in which case please give it a like. We do recommend these things, obviously. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments, and see you in the next video. Bye.